Hello, my kids. Today we will know another new letter. Do you know what is this letter? Yes, it's the letter O. We are going to learn about letter O. O makes the sound O. 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 Let's learn some words beginning with the letter O. Octopus. Octopus. Yes, the beginning letter is O. The beginning sound is O. Orange. 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 Yes. Ox. 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 Open. Open. Again. Open. Oil. Oil. O, oil. Repeat it again. Oil. Oil. Good job. Letters O looks like a circle. Yes, a small circle. Let's try to make letter O with our hand. Try to make letter O with me. With your hand, make a small circle. Yes, good job. And now we will know how to write letter O. The We will start from the top and make a big circle. Go to the left. Try it again. Start from the top and make a big circle. Go to the left. Perfect. This is a big O. Small O. Start from the middle and make a small circle. Go to the left. Try it again. Start from the middle and make a small circle. Go to the left. Yes, this is a small O. And now we have finished. See you later.